Welcome back, you guys. So I know my intro is a little bit different than normal, but that's because I'm going to be showing you how I clean my beauty blenders. So let's just get on into the video. So here is the big reveal. The product I use to clean my brushes and beauty blenders is the pink Zote soap. It is laundry soap, so I would advise to use this at your own discretion. So I'm just starting off with a super dirty sponge, as you guys can tell, and I just want to say that I know my sponges look super raggedy, but I do clean them before every time I use them, and I'm super rough with my sponges, so that is why they look so worn down, I guess you can say. So of course the first thing you want to do is just really saturate your sponge with water and rub it along the soap just to really activate the suds and all that stuff. You guys know how soap works. I go back and forth between really soaping up the sponge and running it underneath the water. The sponge looks super dense, and that's because there's a lot of soap in there, so you want to make sure that you squeeze it out really well. You don't want any leftover soap in your sponge, so squeeze that soap out, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said before, I'm super rough when it comes to cleaning my sponges, and here's the proof because I just ripped it in half, but that's okay as long as it's clean. And this is what my sponge looks like after cleaning it with a $1 bar of soap. Can you guys believe this before and after picture? That is some good ass soap, you guys. So here I'm taking my mini Real Technique sponge, and I just want to say that when you're using smaller sponges, I find it to be a little more difficult to clean because you are working with a smaller object. Like I said before, if you do have leftover soap in your sponge, the sponge will feel a little more dense, so you want to just make sure that you're squeezing it until the sponge feels nice and soft and fluffy again. If the soap comes out color like this, which is white, you know you pretty much got out all the makeup, so now you just want to get out all the soap. This is going to be the last sponge I show you guys just because it is super repetitive. Like I said before, please do not judge me on how raggedy my sponges are. They're not old, they're just super beaten up. I know, don't judge me. You guys can see here that the bottom still has a lot of makeup on it, so I'm just going to make sure I saturate that area and really dig it in the soap, and you guys can see all of that gross makeup dripping out of the sponge, which is exactly what you want. So here are all of my sponges clean. You guys can tell that all of the makeup really came out of these sponges, and it takes little to no time at all. Don't feel the need to waste your money on these really expensive brush or sponge cleaners. Try some Zote soap, girl. It will change your life. How much more vibrant the clean sponges look. The soap just really brings the sponges back to life. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.